What's up, you all? Today we're talking about Quest 2 fitness tips and just kind of how you can start your journey and how it is and what I can give you some in-depth analysis on. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so getting into VR fitness, it's going to be a lot more different. It's immersive, it's isolated. There's a lot of just technicalities that we're going to go over right now. So the first things first, you always want to know when you're going over your Quest 2 fitness journey, which congratulations, if you want to start this journey, it's a lot of solo endeavor, but it can be really, really fun in your metaverse VR, virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality experience. So first things first is that you want to define your fitness. Right here in this example, you can see that I'm utilizing Beat Saber as my fitness, but there's just tons of other things. But in totality, the foundation of a lot of fitness right now is the pattern of how Beat Saber already goes. So you can see how I'm hitting certain patterns, you're doing things, you get your body moving. Now, it's similar to all the other ones, all the other far more popular, like Supernatural is another one that's very much in relation to what Beat Saber does. And so you just got to define your fitness. Do you like dancing a little bit more non-traditional? I love to dance and I like moving around. So you would like Beat Saber and Synth Riders and Supernatural, or you can go far more into the traditional route like Fit XR or Les Mills Body Combat. That one's very good too. So just define your fitness, define what you want, define what will get you up and going, right? It's kind of like doing cardio workouts. So when you do cardio workouts, some people just don't like traditional running. It doesn't inspire them. It doesn't really get them unique or creative enough in order to want to keep going and going on their weight loss journey or just building lean muscle. So if you want to really excel and continue in VR fitness, you have to just define who you are, what you enjoy most. So for me, and this is a great example for anybody, this is just a non-traditional aspect, right? Dancing more, moving around more, and just having fun. So Beat Saber is a great choice for that too. So just define your fitness, define your goals, define who you are, and know what you would want to at least continuously try to keep moving forward with. So that's one thing, define your fitness. Choosing a commitment in general. So people say like, money is your big investment. So if you're paying for a fitness app, are you going to be likely to show up more? Are you able to show up on a free plan? So just choose your commitment. There's a free type of plans. Like there's an XR workout that is available on App Lab Games. Y'all can check that out too. That is free. And I do have a lot of App Lab Games videos, so be sure to check those out and it can help you out on getting free stuff. Or if you just want to do a one-time payment like Les Mills Body Combat, that offers just a one-time payment fee and then that's it. Or you want to go kind of not like, I wouldn't say a traditional gym route, but or unless you want to do a monthly subscription, I believe it's Fit XR and Supernatural that does that. So if you want to do a monthly subscription and you feel that if you're paying the money, you'll be able to show up more, then cool. Or if you feel like it's all completely free, that you would still show up just enough, then that's also completely fine. So it just kind of depends on what you're looking into for your aspiration. Choose your commitment after you define your exact fitness goals. It just helps you out so much more and just what you really want and trying to reach that, because it does take a lot of time and it's a long journey. So you want to be sure you're in that criteria fundamentally so you can get into the next aspect. So choose that. So first, define your fitness. Second, find your commitment. Also, an amazing tip that I love to share is just track your progress with Oculus Move. So at the top of the screen, usually when you first get your Quest 2, it'll show your tracking on heart rates. It can show calories burning. It just shows a tons more. So get Oculus Move. It actually comes within your headset for free. And it also, you can have it on the mobile app. That just helps literally show. So you can look up with your VR headset and it'll literally show you the menu. You can either put it if you want it to appear all the time or you don't want it to appear. Right here, it's not appearing in mine just because I turn it off, especially when I'm streaming and stuff. But Oculus Move is free, and just activate that and always watch where you're burning. When I play this game, you can see me lunging and ducking and dodging and stuff, and you get very tired. And so you're going up and down. There's a lot of levels to it, and I burn tons of calories. Usually at the gym, I try to run for like 150 to 200 calories, and I definitely knock that out when I'm in VR with Quest 2, especially Beat Saber, and doing everything easily. I sweat a lot, I dance, I have fun. You can see me moving around a little bit. So you track your progress with Oculus Move. You'll really enjoy that. Also, another huge tip that I do want to share is that VR fitness is definitely not traditional. So you have to know that you're going to be self-disciplined, because you're going to be in your own home, which is your comfort zone. Especially in VR, there's just so much games and getaways, and you would probably want to just watch Netflix or HBO on there and Disney Plus. but you had to choose your discipline. So know that it's going to be a lot more discipline than going somewhere else and getting out of your comfort zone. Me, I still go to traditional gyms just because I know when I'm at home, I get very comfortable. So I can't always do that every day. Plus, it helps me out get a breather and just get out of technology for a little while. But that's just up to you, because I already know, like, just have some discipline and you're going to be completely fine, because you could be a homebody and completely knock it all out. There's people that are, everybody's different, everybody's unique, but it's up to you to just really believe in yourself and have that discipline to keep showing up in the comfort of your own home. That's usually where it's hard, because I train my clients also, and a lot of the downfalls is that they're just still comfortable in their own home, so they don't have enough energy. It's not that it's a bad thing, it's just that they just, like, they're so, they're used to being slouched and relaxed, especially after work. So just know that it takes a lot of self-discipline, a lot of commitment to want to get up, put on the VR headset, set everything up, set up your boundaries, make sure nothing's around you. So it is a huge setup to get going, and especially on the days you're tired, you don't want that to be kind of not as great to your full potential, because you definitely want to get on that journey and help out your health, because it helps out overall wellness too, and mental health and physical health and emotional well-being. It helps me out with everything. I just love VR. And the best things right here. And then also on the last tip, I just want to share some of my best insights about VR fitness. You can see me over here just too much enjoying myself on stream, by the way. You can see all that right now. One of my favorite things I do love to share is that it's not traditional. Like, gym intimidation is real. It is very intimidating to be around people who kind of, you feel like, are either judging you or just are in far more better, like, I guess, quote unquote, bodily success than you are. It's just, gym intimidation is real. And especially these days, a lot of people are recording on social media and making fun of people. And I understand that 100%. So just know that VR fitness is an amazing way to just stay away and seclude yourself from everything. I love to be in VR fitness just to seclude myself, to dance, to hear music, to work out, to track progresses, to look at how I'm doing. You can meet people on there. You can compete with people on there. You can go to different multitudes of situations, and especially when you get more into the traditional ones, the traditional fitness apps like Supernatural, FitXR, Let's Miss Body Combat, like you have actual motivating trainers in there giving you cues, and you have just ups and downs. You have push-ups and more. Beat Saber is more for me because I just love to dance and I'm already into fitness, so I kind of just know all the lingo already. But for somebody who's just completely new, it's a great route to just not really get intimidated, to be yourself. You can see me, I let loose, I dance around a lot. It is by far one of the best things I could ever do. If anything, I feel it's underrated, especially since everything that had been going around the world, and being able to be solo and do it. It just takes that discipline, and it takes just staying away from all the intimidating factors of being in fitness, quote unquote. So yeah, that's just kind of some of the stuff I wanted to share, man. Just let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comment section below, and just know that fitness is very important. So don't skip it because of typical people that are just being harsh in the gym. I think a VR fitness is a great way to pick it up if you're just new to everything, if you just want to do your own thing, and you just want to be able to really express yourself and get away from the world and help out. Like, you can just tell by all the emotions that I'm doing right here in this stream that you can really be yourself. You get really immersed. It feels really cool, and everything just feels amazing. So check it out. Leave some questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them, man. Don't let nobody ruin your journey, man. I appreciate y'all, and peace.